Think you know Yorkshire's famous cow and calf rocks? Think again. Here are 5 bizarre facts about this massive landmark that will completely change how you look at it. First up, legend says these rocks didn't get here by nature. Rumble the giant allegedly stepped on the cliff while fleeing his angry wife, fracturing the stone and leaving the calf behind. Talk about a bad marital argument. Second, the family used to be bigger. There was once a third rock formation nearby, called the Bull, but it was tragically quarried away during the 19th century spa boom. R.I.P. to the dad of the group. Third, this place is literally a birthplace of British rock climbing. Climbers have been scaling these gritstone blocks since the 1800s, turning a geological accident into a vertical playground. Fourth, if you look closely at the gritstone, you're actually looking at compacted river sand and mud from an ancient massive river delta that existed way before the dinosaurs even thought about showing up. And finally, the calf rock didn't fall off by itself. It was literally pried away and dropped exactly where it sits today by a massive Ice Age glacier moving through Wharfedale 20,000 years ago. If you want to see this stunning place from a bird's eye view, hit that like and subscribe button and go watch our immersive 360 flyover on the channel right now.